now they're back on all the courts. They were supposed to come today or yesterday, but they didn't get here yet. So.
Somebody said, we talked about the other day, somebody said something about that they jump too much and then they shut off. And he said the fan that you can get.
So I found, yeah, the first couple of times I tried to live stream my Facebook page just to test that out. And it shut off after like 7 or 8 minutes. And I did some research and they said basically, unless you're like outside moving around with airflow, that if you're doing high res, $45 a case for everything. He said for him, his test went from 7 minutes to as long as you want. It would never overheat.
Okay, cool.
So if we wind up having that problem, there's an easy fix.
Sweet.
As of right now, I still can't live stream. The thing is trying to get everyone to subscribe to the channel. We hit our 50. We're like 65 something like that now. But they're still telling me that we haven't met the requirements. And I looked it up and people were saying like it could take about a week after you 50 to kick in. So I'm hoping that recording everything and moving home on the download everything on the start and upload things on YouTube. Are you playing tonight?
No.
No. You're not in this?
I'm not in it. I don't really play those type of singles.
All right.
Coming in on the left.
Don't listen to the guy you get to whoop on the singles.
Alright, coming in on the left.
It's terrible.
Emily, how many quick words?